Hello everyone, this is G Bhagya. I'm currently pursuing BTech ECE in Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. Here in this project, I'm going to discuss about the Python code for fitting a linear regression line for the acquired data set, which are chosen in the form of CSV data files. Now I'm going to explain about the linear regression model of the dataset using Python libraries. The dataset used in this code is cutoff ranking of KSET in the years 2016 to 2023. The Excel files are firstly converted into CSV files. The college I have chosen is MBJ College of Engineering, Bangalore. Here is the Python code to plot the linear regression line. I used Jupyter Notebook to run this Python code. Firstly, we have to import all the libraries required to run the code in Jupyter Notebook. The libraries like pandas, numpy, and matplotlib.pyplot to be imported in the Jupyter Notebook. The main users of libraries pandas it is imported as PD and are used for working with data sets. It has functions for exploring and manipulating the data, whereas NumPy library is imported as NP. It is used for working with arrays. It is also used for working with matrices functions, whereas MATLAB lib.pyplot is imported as PLT, used for plotting graph. It is comprehensive library for creating static and interactive visualization in Python. It creates images that can be zoomed and updated. Once we import the required libraries, we read the acquired dataset using pd.read underscore CSV. It is the built-in function in pandas. Once the dataset is read, the data extracted is displayed in the output region as shown here. Next step is to plot the dataset in the graph. To plot the dataset, we have to use percentage math plot library inline. Here, the variables are declared where the corresponding data sets are stored as year and branches chosen. That is ECE, EEE, and AE. Use We plot the data for the chosen branches for every year from 2016 to 2023. We use different colors for different branches to vary the plots in the graph, and we label the axis according to shown here. We get the graph with plots for different branches. After plotting, we need to find the fit for regression line, that is straight line, which is suitable for all the data points. Equation for straight line is y equals to mx plus c, where m is slope of the line and c is the y-intercept. Here, first let's consider the data points belong to ECE. The slope and y-intercept of data is obtained by using library NumPy. Here, model equals to np dot polyfit bracket yr comma subg comma 1, where here yr is the variable of years, whereas subg indicate the ECE branch. Here, by using np.plotfit, we get slope and intercept of the line for ECE dataset. Next, we insert the slope and y-intercept in the line equation y equals to mx plus c, as here, this equation. Here, x is considered as year and we use And here we use scatter plot to plot the obtained lines in 2D graph. Same steps as above should be followed for all the remaining branches, that is triple E and AE, as follows. As shown here, the triple E and AE. We use plot legend to differentiate the linear regression models for the different branches with different colors. This plt.legend is used to differentiate the colors as shown here. Blue is the regression line for ECE branch, whereas red and green for triple E and AE respectively. This is the output obtained on running this Python code. Here, by observing the graph, we can conclude that the trend of CET cutoff ranking is increasing each year. This is influenced by several factors. Considering few influenced factors. The number of students that are interested in the selected courses are less. The campus placement opportunities may be decreasing in each year. Cutoff ranking is increasing each year, which concludes the competition capability is less than other colleges. Students entering the institution is less. This may be due to the lack of knowledge of existence of the college. Quality of education and training is may or may not be up to the mark. So, the institution can improve the factors by providing more quality of education and training and improving the advertising, creating students opportunity to enter the cooperative world and bring more number of companies for campus requirement, and it can also train students to be more competitive. Thank you.